Whether it is about protecting the citizens or supplying help to the most disadvantaged areas, Indian government has never shied away from its responsibilities. In another considerate move, Niti Aayog and Piramal Foundation has launched Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan to assist district administrations in providing home care support to COVID-19 patients who are asymptomatic or have mild symptoms. While launching the campaign, Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant informed that Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan is a significant initiative that responds to immediate needs and will provide long-term support to India's poorest communities in the aspirational districts by addressing the lasting impact of COVID-19.
The Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan is a significant initiative that responds to immediate needs and will provide long-term support to India's poorest communities in the aspirational district by addressing the lasting impact of COVID-19. Now, this is the phase 1 of the program, and the central idea is to create a platform, the aspirational district collaborative, in which local leaders, influencers, panchayat officers, self-help groups, civil societies all come together to address the emerging challenges in the district in all the key focus areas of the aspirational district program. That is all the indicators also.
This campaign has been launched in 112 aspirational districts. In the first place, it is important to know about aspirational districts and their transformation. The Transformation of Aspirational Districts program was launched by PM Modi, and the broad contours of the program are convergence of central and state schemes, collaboration of central, state level Prabhari officers and district collectors, and competition among districts are driven by a mass movement. It focuses on the strength of each district, identifies low-hanging fruits for immediate improvement, measure progress, and rank districts. Now, let's get to know more about this campaign, Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum. It is a special initiative of Aspirational Districts Collaborative, where local leaders, civil societies, and volunteers work with district administrations to address the emerging problems across key focus areas. Further, it is interesting to note that the program will be led by district magistrates in partnership with over 1,000 local NGOs. These NGOs would further enlist and train over 1 lakh volunteers to connect with patients through inbound or outbound calls. To support the training of NGOs and volunteers, Piramal Foundation would also work in close coordination with district magistrates. The campaign is expected to play a key role in district preparedness for managing nearly 70% of the COVID cases at home. It helps in strengthening the healthcare system and stemming the spread of fear amongst the people. For the correct usage of oxygen concentrators, the campaign would also undertake capacity building of citizens. Based on the guidelines of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, NGOs will thus mobilize local volunteers to provide home care support to the affected people. Further, volunteers will also be trained to support 20 affected families, each by educating caretakers to follow COVID protocols, provide psychosocial support, and timely updates about the patients to the administration. The central government is committed to raising the living standards of its citizens and ensuring inclusive growth for all. In the spirit of competitive and cooperative federalism, the government programs are encouraging the districts to first catch up with the best district within their state and subsequently aspire to become one of the best in the country. We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.